I am the audacious and amazing April Boyd, and I came here today because when I had a conversation with DeKesha about my offer for my business, she was like, "Oh, come in. I'm going to be giving a presentation on how to put your offer together." And so that's what really drew me here today, trying to get more information on how to just get that one solid offer together. My biggest takeaway from this event is that you do not need a huge audience to sell your offer. It can be a small amount of people in the room. The whole thing is your language has to be right and your person will buy your offer. I would recommend DeKesha to any entrepreneur at any stage of their business because you might think you have it all figured out and all together, but then you're in this stale state. And she has this ability to pull you out. She gives you her true, genuine, authentic self. And she is a woman of integrity. So she is not going to try to tell you something or sell you something that she doesn't feel like it's going to be the best thing for you. So if you are at any phase of your business and you are trying to elevate, you're trying to start, you're trying to grow, DeKesha is the person who you need to be in communication.